Hi, this is Harikrishna. In this video, we evaluate the coefficient of correlation. Now the given problem is calculate the coefficient of correlation between age and playing habit from the following data. In the previous problem, we can observe that the sample data we have given directly. But in this problem, if we observe given first sample in series form, second sample in ratio form. With the help of this table, we can find the two sample data. Here, n equals to number of data points 9. Taking first series A's in years from the given data 15, 20, 20, 25, 25, 30, 30, 35 and so on 55, 60 and evaluating the mid values m equals to mid value of 15, 20 that equals to 17.5, mid value of 20, 25 that is 22.5 and so on. Mid value of 55, 60 is 57.5. Now using the step deviation, evaluating the data, capital X equals to m minus 37.5 divided by 5. Here 37.5 is the assumed mean. Now we take the approximate middle of this series, that is 37.5. This is called as assumed mean, and 5 is the width of the series or width of the interval. Now evaluating capital X equals to m 17.5 minus assumed mean 37.5 divided by width of the class 5, that gives minus 4. Corresponding to this class 22.5 m minus 37.5 divided by 5, that gives minus 3. Corresponding to this class 27.5 minus 37.5 divided by 5, that gives minus 2 and so on. We get minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the sample data. Now evaluating the sum of these values, summation capital X equals to 0. Now take the squares of these sample data, x square minus 4 square 16 minus 3 square 9 and so on, and then finding the summation x square equals to 60. From the table, if we observe the number of players here given 1200 out of 1500 population, so we have to evaluate the percentage. Now calculating the percentage, we have 1200 people out of 1500, that equals to 1200 divided by 1500 into 100, that gives 80. Similarly, we have 1560 players out of 2000 population. Now evaluating the count percentage, 1560 divided by 2000 into 100, that gives 78. Now in similar manner, we can evaluate all these numbers, that is small y, and taking the deviations from the assumed mean, that gives the sample data. So capital Y is the deviation from assumed mean. Here we take 46 as assumed mean, that is nothing but the sum of data divided by total number, that gives approximately 46. So this is the assumed mean. Now evaluating deviation, that is nothing but 46 minus 80, that gives minus 34. 46 minus 78, that gives minus 32. 46 minus 57, that equals to minus 11 and so on. Evaluating, that gives summation y equals to 41. We take here only deviations because we have direct data points, but in this we have series, so we evaluate the data by using this formula x equals to m minus 37.5 divided by 5, that is m minus assumed mean divided by h. But here we have direct data, so we take only the deviations from mean, that gives minus 34, minus 32, minus 11 and so on. Evaluating the sum, the summation y equals to 41. Now taking the squares, y square equals to minus 34 whole square, that equals to 1156, minus 32 whole square 1024 and so on. The sum is summation y square equals to 6195, and the product x into y, capital X into capital Y, that is minus 4 into minus 34 that equals to 136, minus 3 into minus 32 that equals to 96, and so on. Evaluating the summation xy equals to 596. Now we have summation x square, summation y square, summation xy. Now we have the coefficient of correlation is given r equals to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by square root of n into summation x square minus summation x whole square into square root of n into summation y square minus summation y whole square. Now just by substituting the corresponding values, here n is the number of data points, 9 into summation xy 596 minus summation x 0 summation y 41 divided by square root of n 9 into summation x square 60 minus summation x 0 square into square root of n into 9 into summation y square 6195 minus summation y 41 whole square, that equals to 5364 divided by 5403.698, that equals to 0.9926. So this is the coefficient of correlation. Now we will continue in the next video.